Hi, I'm Josh Zaret from Gemstone. And we're here today at Peridot, our newest development next to the experimental farm in the Rideau Canal. Every time we talk about a home, we really talk about the kitchen, which is the center of the home. So we wanted to bring in a chef, one of Ottawa's top chefs, Rich Wilson from the Beckta Group, to show you what it's like living in a Gemstone kitchen and showcasing what it's like to enjoy the heart of the home.
Hi, I'm Rich Wilson from Beckta Dining and Wine. I'm here to cook some duck breast for you in their brand new Gemstone kitchen in their Peridot development. Just gonna prep up this maitake mushroom while you guys take a look at the rest of the house. So today I'm cooking a Rougie Farms duck breast, miso squash puree, peeled these Brussels sprouts, folded some mushroom gyozas, taken apart these mushrooms, and now I'm just gonna get started on frying up my gyozas. I've worked in a lot of kitchens, and one thing I can tell you is working with a gas stovetop is the best you can do for even heat distribution. One of the other things that's great about these is having the center burner, the fifth burner. Most homes don't have that. In the kitchen, I'm used to working with 6, 12, 16 burners, so having that extra burner makes a huge difference.
I can't believe how good it smells in here.
Thanks, Josh.
What are you doing right now?
Just frying up these maitakes in some duck fat.
What was the inspiration for you behind this dish, Rich?
This is a dish that I did for gold medal plates a few years ago.
Oh, wow. Gold medal plates in a gold medal kitchen. There we go.
Beautiful. I think this is a perfect space to entertain. Beautiful open space behind and lots of room for people to come and gather and talk. Drink a glass of wine while I'm cooking supper.
It's nice to have you in here, that's for sure. I can tell you the smells are just making me starving. Delicious.
Thank you.
Just fantastic. Excellent, excellent, excellent.